Question. In figure, A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR. A is point on OP, B is point on OQ, B is point on OQ and C is point on OR. C is point on OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ, AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. AC is parallel to PR, so that BC is parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. Given. A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively. गिवन में यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक लिखना है टू प्रूव BC is parallel to QR. Proof. In triangle POQ, since AB is parallel to PQ, therefore PA upon AO is equal to QB upon BO. By BPT theorem. Now in triangle POR, since AC is parallel to PR, therefore PA upon AO is equal to RC upon CO. By BPT, basic proportional theorem, we see that in equation 1 and 2 their left hand sides are equal, therefore right hand side will be also equal. QB upon BO is equal to RC upon CO. Now in triangle OQR, since QB is equal to BO and RC upon CO, therefore BC is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. From 3. Therefore BC is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. Proved. Question. Using theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Theorem 6.1 is BPT theorem. Using BPT theorem, we have to prove that a line drawn from midpoint of one side parallel to second side bisect third side. Given in triangle ABC, D is midpoint of AB and D is parallel to BC. To prove D bisect AC. Proof. In triangle ABC, since D is parallel to BC, therefore AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC by BPT. Since D is midpoint of AB, therefore AD is equal to DB. DB के जगह पर AD लिखा क्योंकि दोनों इक्वल है. AD and BD are equal. They will cancel 1 or A is equal to EC. AE is equal to EC. Therefore, E is midpoint of AC. Therefore, D bisect AC. Proved.